Hi, I'm Patty. Thank you for joining me today. We're about to embark on an adventure building a dollhouse from a kit. I have this Beachside Bungalow from Real Good Toys. It's a 5-room dollhouse. It's a 1/12 scale model, and we're going to actually build it from the beginning step by step. I've had the opportunity to rebuild and fix old dollhouses. This will be my first attempt of building one from a kit. And it's very important that we follow the directions. So I'm going to walk you through the very first step. Alright, as you can see, I've taken everything out of the box. Wanted to go over some of the supplies that are necessary for this phase. Pencils, tape, scissors, and some type of sticky note. And you will notice very quickly I am extremely frugal. So I have torn these sticky notes into like 2 or 3 pieces each because there are a lot of pieces. And we'll show you all these pieces. As you can see, we've actually labeled every piece and inspected to see if we had everything and if everything was in good shape. Also, we're following the directions carefully. Yes, I am a direction follower. It's the best way to be. And in this booklet, it will walk you through pictures of the parts as well as the numbers. And we've gone through and identified every piece and marked off and found we have some pieces missing. So we've contacted Real Good Toys and asked them how to have them replaced. And we have had one piece that is broken. So I've also sent a picture to them of this particular piece. This is the attic divider, and it's MDF board, and it is cracked. May be able to repair it, but I've asked for their guidance because I want to make sure it's stable. So also the directions suggest is to get little boxes, containers, etc. to start placing your items so you'll know exactly what you have and what you need when you get ready to put it together. There are a lot of little pieces, a lot of big pieces, but that's the fun of it. And the first step of taping everything gets you organized, and then we'll dry fit the pieces to make sure that they actually will go together all right, and then we'll start gluing them. Thank you. Look forward to talking to you in the next segment.